I'm in a 2018 Ford Edge, and today I'm going to show you how to use your heated and cooled seat settings. So while the vehicle's on, you should see these buttons here for your cooled seat, your heated seat. This is the driver's side, and then this would be the same for your passenger side. So to activate these, we'll just push it once. And this is your max cool. This is a lower setting. This is your minimal AC seat, and then this is off again. And then same for your heated, so max, medium, minimum, and then off. And same for your passenger seats. Easiest way to test these if they're working or not is while it's on, just sit in it for a few minutes and you should start feeling your butt start getting hot. If it isn't for some reason, especially if these lights aren't lighting up, first thing I would check are your fuses. Sometimes a burnt fuse could cause issues with this system. If that's not it, you might need to check behind all this plastic to make sure there's no loose connections that need reconnected or replaced. Sometimes that can happen behind the buttons. If that didn't work, maybe you check underneath the seats, make sure there's no loose connections that need reattached or replaced. And then worst case scenario, maybe it's from a lot of spills or something like that, something shorted out within the seats. You might need to replace a part or replace the seat. But I hope this is helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.